So I'm sure that very few people are aware of the JPA architecture inside Java. So this is basically the architecture of Java Persistence API. So here first we have entity, right? So entity is basically a Java object which will be mapped to a table inside your database, right? And the entities will be managed by something called as entity manager, which is kind of an interface, right? An entity manager will be created by entity manager factory. After that, there is something called as persistence context, which temporarily stores your managed entities, right? After that, once we perform some kind of operation on entities, for example, let's say persist, then entity manager will offload the task to a framework, right? Which will actually do connection to database. For example, Hibernate is such framework, right? Then there will be entity transaction. So this database operations or this query will be executed under this particular transaction. But that is very brief now, right? So if you want to understand it in more detail, then I have created this YouTube video where I have covered the JPA architecture in detail.